Ever feel like your finances are a chaotic mess? If you're nodding your head, you're probably familiar with Mint, the once ubiquitous budgeting app. It helped millions tame their financial beasts by tracking accounts, setting budgets, and offering a glimpse into your overall financial health. But if you tried logging in recently, you were met with a harsh reality: Mint is gone. Poof! Disappeared faster than your paycheck at the end of the month. So, what happened? Why did this budgeting champion vanish into thin air? Buckle up, because the reasons behind Mint's demise are more complex than a simple app shutdown. From humble beginnings to financial powerhouse, Mint's story starts back in 2006, a time when personal finance apps were still a new frontier. The founders envisioned a platform that would revolutionize how people manage their money. They aimed to create a one-stop shop, an oasis in the desert of financial complexities. And it worked. People flocked to Mint, connecting their bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. Suddenly, you could see all your financial ducks in a row, no more scrambling for statements and receipts. Mint's success caught the eye of Intuit, the financial software giant behind TurboTax and QuickBooks. In 2009, Intuit swooped in, acquiring Mint and adding it to its arsenal of financial tools. This move seemed like a match made in financial heaven. Here was a powerhouse company with the resources to propel Mint to even greater heights. The winds of change, consolidation, and a new direction. Fast forward to 2023, and the winds of change started blowing through Intuit's halls. The company decided to streamline its product offerings, focusing on a more consolidated approach. Enter Credit Karma, another Intuit-owned platform known for credit score monitoring and free tax filing. Here's where things get interesting. Intuit announced that Mint would be shutting down, with all its users encouraged to migrate to Credit Karma. The official explanation was a desire to reimagine personal finance management under one roof. But some finance gurus scratched their heads. Mint had a loyal user base who loved its budgeting features and clean interface. Credit Karma, while offering some financial tools, wasn't exactly Mint's twin. It lacked features like creating custom budgets and detailed spending categorization, which were core functionalities for many Mint users. Was it just consolidation, or something more? The official story might not be the whole picture. Some speculate that Intuit saw Credit Karma as a platform with greater monetization potential. Credit Karma focuses heavily on credit scores and offers users credit card and loan recommendations. This model could potentially generate more revenue for Intuit compared to the free service that Mint primarily offered. The fallout: a scramble for alternatives. The news of Mint's closure sent shockwaves through the personal finance community. Millions of users were left scrambling for alternatives. Budgeting apps galore flooded the app stores, all vying to fill the void left by Mint. Some offered similar features, while others took a whole new approach to financial management. The legacy of Mint. While Mint may be gone, its legacy lives on. It paved the way for a new era of personal finance apps, empowering people to take control of their money. Mint's closure serves as a reminder: the tech landscape is ever evolving, and even popular platforms can disappear. But fear not, finance warriors. There are a plethora of budgeting apps available, each with its unique strengths. Take some time to research and find the one that best suits your financial goals and budgeting style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.